Property taxes, those seemingly never-ending bills that can put a strain on your wallet. But fear not, fellow homeowners. Today we're diving deep into the world of lowering your property taxes. Every dollar saved on property taxes is a dollar you can use towards other financial goals. Here are a few reasons why lowering your property tax bill is worth the effort. Save money. This is the most obvious benefit. Lower taxes mean more money in your pocket. Increase equity. Lower property taxes make your home more attractive to potential buyers, potentially increasing its future value. Peace of mind. Knowing you're paying a fair share of property tax can reduce financial stress. Step 1. Gather information. Obtain your property tax assessment. This document details the assessed value of your property, which determines your tax bill. Research comparable properties. Look for similar homes in your area that have recently sold. This helps determine if your assessed value is in line with market value. Step 2. Review your assessment. Look for errors. Sometimes errors occur, like incorrect square footage or number of bedrooms. Any mistake could lead to an inflated assessment. Step 3. Contact your local assessor's office. Schedule a meeting or informal review. Discuss your concerns with the assessor and present any evidence you've gathered. They might be willing to adjust the assessment based on your findings. Step 4. Be prepared to file a formal appeal if necessary. If the informal review doesn't yield results, you might need to file a formal appeal. Each county has its own process, so research deadlines and procedures beforehand. Consider consulting a tax professional for guidance in this step. The process of lowering your property taxes can take time and effort. Gather evidence, be persistent, and present your case calmly and professionally. Depending on your location, there might be property tax exemptions available for veterans, seniors, or low-income homeowners. Research and apply for any exemptions you qualify for. By understanding the process and taking proactive steps, you can potentially lower your property tax burden and free up valuable financial resources. Have you successfully lowered your property taxes? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Remember, a little research and effort can go a long way in saving you money. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks to help you make smart money moves.